Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Trading Manager with GDM. Today's outlook, firstly we're going to start very briefly with the Asian shares. They were mixed on Tuesday with the Japanese Nikkei ending up 0.5% or about 164 points at 17,024, likely due to the overnight surge in oil prices and of course the weaker yen. The dollar yen was up about 0.3% at 103.87 from 102 levels last week. Mainland China markets were positive. The Shanghai Composite was up about 0.5% or 17.94 points at 366. While of course the Shenzhen Composite was up about also 0.5% or 10 points higher, about 2043. In Hong Kong, the Hang Seng was down 1.5% during the Asian afternoon trade. European markets were lower in morning trades on Tuesday, despite, of course, the rally in oil prices and optimism over the US presidential election campaign. The Pan-European Stock 600 index was lower with all major bourses and sectors in negative territory, with, of course, 3% higher on Monday, as the euro was down slightly against the dollar at 1.1233. Also, breaking news about the sterling was down about 0.3% against the dollar, and that was somewhere around the 1.2324 level, below its overnight low of 23.45. As of course we know, the flash crash on Monday. Now gold prices edged lower on Tuesday after two sessions of gains, with the US dollar strengthening on speculations that the Federal Reserve will probably raise rates somewhere in December. The odds are right now about 70% that the Fed will hike interest rates in the 13-14 December meeting, and that is up from the 66% early on Friday. That's according to the CME Group's Fed Watch tool. Investors are also waiting for Wednesday's release of minutes of the Federal Reserve Open Market Committee to see how close the central bank was to hiking rates last month. Tracking the oil prices in the commodity sector edged down on Tuesday, but held nearly 1 year high, touching that on growth expectations of an output cut by the OPEC producers, with of course the price outlook remaining bullish as confidence in crude markets rises. US West Texas Intermediate crude futures were up at $50.24 a barrel, slightly down of course from their last close, but also near Monday's high of 51.60. As of course 3% jump on Monday is what we saw on the markets, based on the speculations that Russia is also joining the deal of output along with the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. That's also to curb crude output, with of course a very huge possibility. We will keep track on this statement as well as on a confirmation whether that is going to be possible, and deliver it straight to you. That's all the important news for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.